If you'd rather wrestle a bear than attend a packed concert, congratulations. Your brain just protected you from a psychological overload most people don't even notice. And no, you're not broken. You're just seeing something everyone else is too distracted to see. Picture this. It's Saturday night. Your phone lights up. Hey, we're all meeting at that new downtown spot. Super crowded, but the vibe is amazing. And instantly, your soul leaves your body. Not because you hate fun, but because your brain just ran the numbers, calculated the emotional cost of that vibe, and decided bankruptcy wasn't worth it. You're not boring. You're not difficult. And you're definitely not the problem. Your psychology is just playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. Let's break down what's really happening inside that beautifully complicated brain of yours. Number one, your brain has zero chill, and that's actually genius. Most people walk into a crowd and their brain filters out the noise. Background chatter disappears, random movements fade, the chaos gets muted. Your brain does the opposite. It captures everything, every laugh, every shift in posture, every micro-expression, every tone change in the music. It records, analyzes, cross-references, all at once. Psychologists call this sensory processing sensitivity. Translation, your brain notices everything and refuses to let any of it go. It's like everyone else is watching life in standard definition, and you're trapped in 8K IMAX without asking for the upgrade. About 20% of people are wired this way, and your brain doesn't just collect information, it stores it. That random moment from weeks ago that no one remembers, your brain filed it under possibly important and keeps revisiting it. That's not overthinking. That's pattern recognition doing exactly what it was designed to do. This trait kept humans alive for thousands of years. While others relaxed, your ancestors noticed danger before it arrived. You're not too much. You're exactly what survival required. Modern society just wasn't built for people who actually pay attention. Number two, you're not antisocial, you're anti-BS. You don't hate people, you hate the performance. In crowds, everyone's wearing a mask. The "I'm having so much fun" mask. The "I'm totally listening" mask. The "everything's fine" mask. While their eye is twitching, and you see through all of it. Not because you're judgmental, but because your brain is constantly decoding what's really being said beneath the words. Body language, energy, subtext, the truth no one says out loud. That's exhausting. Psychologists call this high perceptual sensitivity. In simple terms, your emotional radar is so precise, you're basically a human lie detector who never applied for the job. Studies show people who prefer solitude often score higher in emotional intelligence. Meaning, you're not socially awkward. You're socially advanced. You just refuse to pretend. You'd rather have one honest conversation at 3 a.m. than attend 50 events filled with highlight reel conversations. It's not a flaw. That's integrity. Small talk isn't hard for you. It's draining. Your nervous system craves depth. And when forced into surface-level exchanges, it feels like asking a philosopher to get excited about discussing the weather. Number three, your dopamine system said, no thanks. For extroverts, crowds trigger dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. Loud spaces energize them. Your brain? Silence. Instead, you run on acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that rewards deep focus, reflection, and, yes, being alone. Your brain gets its high from midnight reading sessions, quiet walks, and uninterrupted thought. While others need external stimulation to feel alive, you need internal space to fully function. Neuroscience shows introverted brains often have more activity in regions linked to complex thinking. So when you look like you're doing nothing, your brain is actually doing everything. Processing, connecting, creating. You're not wasting time. You're composing symphonies while the world listens to elevator music. Number four, you're an emotional Wi-Fi router. Ever walk into a room and instantly feel something's off, even when everyone's smiling? That's your mirror neurons working overtime. You don't just observe emotions, you absorb them. In a crowd, you're managing your own feelings and unconsciously downloading everyone else's stress, excitement, and anxiety. No wonder you need days to recover from a 2-hour event. But here's the superpower. This makes you deeply emotionally intelligent. You read between the lines. You sense what people need before they say it. Most people struggle to understand their own emotions. You're out here understanding everyone else's. It's not a weakness. That's a gift most people couldn't handle. And finally, number five, you're not running from life. you're running toward yourself. We live in a world that equates loud and busy with successful and happy. If you're not everywhere, doing everything, surrounded by people nonstop, something must be wrong. But you figured out what most people avoid for decades. Silence isn't empty. It's where clarity lives. Solitude isn't loneliness. It's where you actually meet yourself. You're not missing out. You're opting out of spaces that were never designed for minds that think deeply, feel deeply, and see deeply. Quietest rooms often hold the loudest truths. Your peace isn't isolation, it's freedom. But the next time someone asks why you don't go out more, remember, they're really asking why you don't drain yourself to fit into a world that wasn't built for you. You're not broken. You're not boring. You're not antisocial. You're built for depth in a world obsessed with noise. And honestly, that's exactly what makes you fascinating.